Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the collage of your photo in Oppo A16. To do this operation, go to the photos here. Let's pick up the files which you want to make a collage, and there is option collage here. The video haven't can be taken, so make the collage. You can making some different pose of your pictures. There you can go with the poster and with the switch. That's it. Accept when you have done it. It's been saving and you can make a collage for now. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.